In 1950, India and China were almost equal producers of the steel. In 1950, India and China produced equal amount of steel. But today, China is the largest producer as well as the consumer of the steel in the world. Though India is an important producer of the steel, we are still facing many difficulties. We are unable to perform our full potential due to many reasons, such as limited availability of coking coal. I told you, coking coal is very important. It is a high graded coal used to burn the raw iron. And the another reason is the lower productivity of our labors. The lower productivity of our labors. Our labors are not competitive compared with other labors from outside the country. And also the irregular supply of the energy. Power or the energy is very important for any industry. Many parts of the country, the supply of energy is irregular, and also the poor infrastructural facilities. These things are badly affecting, especially to exploit our full potentiality. Okay, let us discuss now industrial pollution and environmental degradation. Industrial pollution and environmental degradation. Industry is the main reason for the degradation of many environmental sources. Anyway, here let us discuss some of the pollutions caused by the industry. Air pollution is very important here. Many gases are emitted from the factories. Still, poisonous gases are emitting from the factories, which can degrade the air. Mainly sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide are emitted from the factories, which can degrade or which can badly affect the air. Also, water pollution also very important here. The waste water from the factories are discharged into the water bodies, which can harm not only the aquatic life forms, also the human beings. Thermal pollution is very important to discuss here. Thermal pollution means the discharging of the hot water from the thermal plants or the factories. Okay, and also noise pollution. Noise pollution can cause many diseases such as the hearing problems, blood pressure, and even the irritation and stress. So, industry is the main reason for the degradation of the environment. So, it's very important to take the measures for the or to stop the degradation of the environment.